Allow me to introduce myself.
Hi guys, this is Shabazz. Today I will show you how run PUBG Mobile Lite on Android phone. First go to the link under my description. Then you will reach here. Now click on download XAPK. It's only 247 megabytes. You can see the downloading it started. Press OK. The downloading is started successfully. So make sure you watch this video towards the end. Now you can see that I have downloaded successfully. Now go to the file manager. Internal storage, then downloads. You can see PUBG Mobile Lite 5.0 XAPK. Now erase the X all and rewrite it to zip. Now you can see it's converted to a zip file. See, it's converted to a zip. Now we need to extract zip file. You can use any file manager to extract. So I'm going to use Download Z Achiever, or you can use any other file manager for that, so install the Z Achiever and open it. Allow all permissions. Now go to internal storage, then download. Now I need to find PUBG Mobile Lite 5.0 zip. You can find it. Now click on the file and choose extract. You can extract this file anywhere that you like. It's not mention anything, so I am going to extract here. Now that seems it's extracting 25%. So you want to watch the video towards the end. Because I am saying step by step, so if you miss any steps, it will not work. So extract it successfully. I can see 4 things: Android and an app, an icon, and a file. Now open Android, then OBB, and you can get a file com.tensioned. Now copy or this to internal storage. And scroll down and find Android. Then OBB and paste here. Here I can see it's pasted successfully. Now go back to downloads. Now install the APK. PUBG Mobile Lite installation started. So, now I am going to open. But this game will not work. I am sure that because I agree, click anywhere you can connect to Facebook. I can see server did not respond. Now come back and go to Play Store, and search for DNS Changer. Or you can also use any other VPN. I would like to prefer this one. After installing this, open. Now click on the first and choose Custom DNS. Now use this codes 124.6.175.84 and click on Connect. Now it's connected. Then click back and again take the PUBG. This time it will work because we are using Philippines VPN. It takes some seconds to load. Did you see that? It's working successfully. I download it through this way, and I think I should share with you. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, also turn on the notification icon. See you in my next video. This video is sponsored by GAMERX. Go and check his channel, linked in the description. So, subscribe and press the notification icon. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, also click on the notification icon. Have a nice day.